If you want, you can install it vertically, or if you want, you can install it horizontal like this. Hello everyone, we just finished installing my new LED mirror, which I got from Amazon, and it looks so stylish and modern. I'm really satisfied. I like how it looks. So what about button? To turn it on, we have a switch button. Short press, you can change temperature with short press, and then with long press you can adjust the brightness of this LED mirror. So okay, I just decrease the brightness, and then you can increase the brightness. We also have one touch anti-fog feature here. You can turn it on and turn it off with one touch. This anti-fog feature will keep the surface clear during a shower, and it shuts off automatically after an hour. This mirror made from copper-free silver, which is more eco-friendly and gives a true reflection. I installed this mirror in my content creator workspace, and I'm really happy with how bright and natural the light feels. It makes filming and getting ready so much easier.